First day at school. Hurry up, Day Day. You don't have to do all that, baby. Just pick it up. Pick up your mat. You don't have to put it on, boo. You're gonna take it right back off. Pick it up. Just get it.
That's a good one. You should look at this on the kindergarten side.
That's fine. I got a video.
And you can find his number and then just different. Oh, that's great. Yeah, you can just stick it all in his cubby. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. What's your name? Kaylee. Let me see if I can get you.
Day Day, you didn't meet your teacher yet.
You skipped me.
Oh my goodness, I gotta get you. Here you go. If you find your name for me, and then you put all your stuff where you see your name. And what's your name?
Zoe.
Zoe. Good morning, Ryan. Hold on one second. I have a name tag for you too.
Get a name tag, dude.
Alright, there you go. And if you find your name, and then you can put your backpack there, and then you guys can come to the carpet and play with some toys. What's your name? Kaylee? Taylor. Are you Taylor? What's your last name? Good. So you're Taylor G. Because do you know what? We have 2 Taylors in this class. Are you going to go to school right? That's pretty cool, isn't it?
No, you'll make it.
There you go. And if you could find your name, it's going to say Taylor G on it. I think you're at the red table.
I can't find it.
You can't find your name. Kaylee.
I know where I am.
You're right in front of Jackie. You see your name?
I'm with you.
You're the artist, right?
Taylor.
How are you? You good? Alright. You can find your seat, put your backpack there, and then maybe your mom can help you find your hubby, okay? Then you can put your mat in there.
Let's see if you can find your name. You found it. Good boy.
Okay, you can play some toys on the carpet. Jackie,
You're number 17. Okay. You can put your backpack on here, and then we got to put your mat in your cubby. So bring your mat to mommy.
Y'all know what your name is, okay? Alright.
You can go through there.
Number 6. There you go. Come here. You're over here.
You're number 17. 1-7. So find 1-7. Good boy.
What were you last year?
All right.
8.
You're smarter than you thought you were.
Taylor, can you hang that up? Okay.
So go sit down back at your table. I think I'm going to stop recording you now, okay?
Maybe one night.
I just wanted Daddy to see everything.
Just one night.